Adversity. Meaning. Adversity refers to difficulties, challenges, or misfortunes that make life or situations tough to handle. Definition. Adversity is a noun that signifies unfavorable circumstances or hardships, often requiring resilience or strength to overcome. Examples in sentences. 1. Despite facing great adversity, Priya achieved her dream of becoming a doctor. Here, adversity refers to the challenges Priya encountered on her journey. 2. The team showed unity and determination in the face of adversity during the competition. In this sentence, adversity highlights the hardships the team overcame together. Usage. Adversity is commonly used to describe personal, professional, or societal struggles, emphasizing resilience and courage in overcoming tough times.
English practice.